Hi, I'm Theresa Payton. I'm your host of Weekly Cybercrime Magazine. I'm the former CIO of the White House and the CEO of Fortalus Solutions. And here's what I want to talk to you about today. One of the biggest buzzwords going on right now is, are you moving to a zero trust network? Do you have a zero trust network? What's your zero trust architecture? And I think this is a great step in the right direction for those of you who are embarking on that journey and for those of you who are far along that journey. I want to give you two tips that I want you to be thinking about for those of you who have started, who have not started, no matter where you are in your journey. And there's two areas of buy-in I see often people sort of speed past it, and it can be very detrimental to your ongoing architecture and efforts. And so those two areas is, first of all, have you been able to get everybody on board with a true least privilege access? That's from the lowest level employee all the way to the CEO. It also includes your third-party vendors and third-party applications. Make sure you have that in place first. That is a key foundational element that I see a lot of CISOs skipping or thinking that's going to be easy to get that buy-in, and it's not. The second piece is you're most likely going to have changes made to routers, switches, authentication servers, application servers in order to truly move to a zero trust environment. Who owns those? Do you get to just call the shots and wave your hand and say, this is going to change, make it so? Or do you have to actually do a little of the political groundwork to get the buy-in from the people that own whether or not you're going to be allowed to do that? So those are two things that I'm seeing people thinking it's going to be a little easier to get everybody on board with. But if you can actually start there or take a deep breath and go back and revisit it, you're going to be a lot more successful. Thanks. Be safe out there. Until next week. See you then.